Alright guys, these action figure toy assembling transformation videos are getting millions and millions of views in TikTok and Instagram right now. Nobody has exposed the prompts, so I broke down the prompts and I am sharing it with you guys. So first we need the image, and we're going to use ChatGPT image 2. So you can use ChatGPT or use OpenArt like me. First of all, you want to download the image of the character that you want to create. Now what we're going to do is put this character's image and type in this prompt right here. Like I always say, all the prompts are going to be on my website in the link below in the description, so you can just go there and copy and paste and you get the same results. Now step 2, after you got the action figure image, you want to turn this image into a pod with an emblem on the center. So now you type in this prompt along with the image that we have just created, then you're going to get these kinds of pods, or you can just add some more details of anything you want to add onto the pod. And then the final step for the image is to create a hand or palms of hands holding this pod. So you type in this prompt right here. Now you get this kind of images. Now what we want to do is use starting frame and ending frame to create the videos. So we put this image here as a starting frame, and then we're going to put this image as the ending frame. Also, you just type in this prompt right here. This prompt is also going to be on my website, so just you can copy it and use it for yourself. Then the next scene, you're going to use this one, the image B as the starting frame, and then the image C as the ending frame, and type in this prompt right here, and you are going to get the similar transformation video that I have got. Download the videos and paste them in order. Okay, thanks for watching. If the video helped, please like and subscribe. Cheers.
Thank you for watching David's AI Mastery.